Me boss ni Agya Koo. Me pe na asempa. I'm not trying to. Me dey na me free say Agya Koo beboa ene na sedanko. Agya Koo je sa krata we fetwa timber. Je sa krata we fesisi schools. Ma me use sa word.
Okay.
They should learn.
Abi okay sanga say. Ade.
On carry. I asem no can carry tea for you know. Yes, yeah.
The name still remains Armstrong Paulino Ade baby abe home bia e din abetimi be afreme no eno no obetimi so afreme Paulino ni nyina e beje so but oye new ha subscribe and click the bell notification so anytime we drop any interview bia and get it straight. I say no say ope Ghana movie ho nsem ati and I say trending news concerning entertainment there and for an interest channel bia and one Paulino multimedia. What I said, my brother Salinko, honorable Salinko, and I'm no ever chicken come up Paulino multimedia. Many didn't come out over a year now, and I'm no a chicken come up Paulino multimedia. And I'm no, I'm interviewing no some back a crowd, but still na remove a bit didn't come. Senior,
Chairman,
Pacho be our code.
I'm here to book.
Honorable,
Chairman,
Pacho didn't call was in the terms to say.
My main chair, I have.
Ah, okay, wait me a chair.
I'm a chair for.
Okay, on what you so.
Obiajimis. And I met you. I live in so.
Oh, say,
you live.
Only a buyer doing say what pass a levy bill.
Oh, one say, I am saying the I politics.
Okay.
But one thing is, me no, and ya dear, okay, hard.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. About be a ban or quad, there is an increment.
Okay.
Over certain things.
Okay.
To you know the buyer and your bad. Am I in
okay.
Am I crooning so any baby or first now? Almost like 12 years as a year, 12 years now.
Okay.
Now me talk credit and I'm a tongue kitty.
Okay.
Into one gentleman be Eriko or Kuforidia.
Okay.
To want to make us an answer me credit in his once Salinko. O credit is I'm saying I'm in to be named some from no say and you kotos am so my main pay 5 cedis dey be na because sometimes na credit in the buy na 75 cedis
and
eso so be kan ya
yeah me kai pa
o say any ya to 75 ni bi en ti fi one am de me hoto say am de me hoto say am so e ma manamo nyina yes exactly due to
next level
nti
he live in abana yeah
he live in abano ebedru baby ene ye befa ene ne enti ase ebedru baby ene ye befa ade ba akọ o say aban ne ye ne say tax no ene wo say wotete so na ama businessmen atimi employ youth na a war system because no ne ade a wanya wo beto ade ebuom ade bia benya ntokwa de bia benya kasetia wati ase so wo kura na se kasetia ne mbo wa ebia fane se wife obusuani bi ohun omo respect to extent say kasetia ne ba ya omo nso ya omo moto ase me amenam he na me kofa ase mo a se me yire be ye basa right enti eno na mesre aban ne mpanyimfo ebi okura na nya aban mpanyimfo wo Ghana se taxes no aya na susu
okay
omo mane mra from
okay
eba from ne etimeto ne ma raw materials de be ye adwuma eno no beboa ama ya employ microphone ne etimetu omo ka ama ade na yes ade na wo de age 10 cedis no young guy na ekoto ne 10 cedis a on farm because wakoye adwuma
enyeska
ewo enyeska obetim de atosa ade enti empanyifo no mesra motena se a na mo adwene ho sa wate
okay but engofo bebre we honorable ye there o se me de bem engofo bebre se 11 no enka omo enni aban ni asem but other taxes no aban ni accountable for those taxes enti den so na eba 11 ni tax existed adam and no engofo bebre concern
sa kon adu we kon adu a ampa was a hit aban no
okay
solid
okay
me no this time no me ra politics mu kakra ma hu se ye kan aban nya aban no ni nanado
okay
aban no yes executives no
okay
What you say? Executives now a war
around.
What you say? Omo hwe se omo beboa ma saa niema no etima badan se fa ne se na wo ka bibi se amanfo se
other taxes no then ye dey okay
ukokro bia so a utua tax ya wo say nya returns
tax
but this is Ghana ojo tax ya as next time mo be file
I think the America crowd they compose you say after a year no so e was so file tax o yet mamuni a one file be bro fan e was so file tax
o file na
tax return
na do returns abro jubusika sa akoye adwuma ne sa afa ye den
fabra
ntisi ye bom panyimfo na chi a e wo sa ade we hu a omo dibo
okay
even omo a tax executives a omo wo offices omo a operate eboa ma amanfo otua me tua tax me company me tua tax eboa ma amanfo otua no omo anim se e wo se nka wotua afene so a ye do returns ye den ma be won fa ma
but on farmer honorable Salinko
they should really learn something over that they should learn mami nyusu sa word no
okay
they should learn
and paying for na Ghana paying for they should
learn something about that returning taxes
okay
for the person to use it and I say ombema awo
okay
what I say no masa ade aba
okay
they should learn over that
honorable asema ode atudwan my friend honorable because or call for MP position
yes
and then so I'll be deep akonya no meni ni nyina no ye wa be MP e wo Ghana ko Ghana eda yakoma so ye be se ekoyie se de sini so eda yakoma so na mabedru ma be pie wo Columbia House series no e boys abre you United TV no ma be pie o mo set so nti ye be din komo honorable na me bisa say sini no say akwesi say
so far on say you mubi no one way or the other no nyame asa adom ye ani
okay
ene ano
okay
na ani ne de ene se na no na me hwe movie Agya Koo movie beautiful movies na nama na me hwe ye nam se no me hwe ni din nam se there is future for the industry
okay
enti enkoye se series nko a nemo movie industry ne be science so aye den
aba
sorry enti ye wo ani so ade hu
okay
ye wa rehemu
okay
say movie no e be science
e be bounce back
sorry only say benya the medium to reach to our fans
okay
enti nyame na ade kwan no be ba because ye mpanyimfo no o ma ye limited and exhausted
in
planning
all can minimum and I say medium mo de be reach mo fans no say aban ye app bia o to ne din Agya Koo and I say o de ma Agya Koo and one question say
Agya Koo TV no okay somehow political
okay are they
good because Agya Koo went in to help the government to have had his seat. So therefore, okay, let me repay and I say
do something
show you kind
gratitude.
Okay. Ntinke ba ne sanon ka memfan say it could have been better say a beye independent body.
Okay.
What you say? Than say beye Agya Koo TV. Me Salinko. Say bia me
na so chirima na ni kwan say de Agya Koo eto
mo eno no timi ma me boss ni Agya Koo me pe na asempa. I'm not trying to criticize but me in general they will be bedwina enti bia sebe e ma nani ene na adwene nkoso na nka ma Agya Koo TV na o say aban de abase nka Kumawood ne nyina so no amana ye fruitful hwe se wo sika na se wonya omo mbeba abedi bia sika ne nye enye
enjoyable
enti no me de na me free say Agya Koo beboa ene na sedanko
okay
obetima man appointment Agya Koo je sa krata we fe twa timber je sa krata we fe sisi schools It's akrata we farmer schools books.
Okay.
Farmer schools ntade.
Okay. Yeah, ambassador deals fire education
no
students.
Nanka TV ne dey your whole body.
Okay.
Na sa whole body no ya pe bibi di atoso. Ebia Kumawood is registered.
Okay.
Ebia Kumawood TV. I don't know say what they are fine.
Ebia Ghana Films
TV. Now our portion some letter and what be at 2 year level so yi. Okọ instead say be YouTube would be tua ebia 0.05 pesos per slot no. Ebia what they will be akọhwe a ebete na ebia 2 cedis. Enti ubon senke ye nyina ye twa ye na na download dey go ho. You ko Salinko movie am ye registered. Enti uko he me series ya me am mostly in series. Uko he me series ya then na ya timi 2 CDs. Near the mam enti nka ye nyina ye nso ye ho nkogu YouTube ho ma YouTube no nka kranka. Me di me sini to say me mfa bi nkobiem. Okay. Because kogu ho no. Boso me e bi about 6 months. No nya. $1,000. $400. For a bin so 50 million, 60 million, a bin sunya 150 million. But imagine says and you 2 CDs per watch here. They make us bet me a bounce back because say avenue no I lose you. And
was it because say be Agya Koo din that so ntina mu nyina man factor amfa mo ho anhye ma masa TV no ankoso na na say
that could be emphasized.
Okay.
Yes. I'm just saying as a layman person, okay. Yeah. But me free say sometimes you know I ana be bisa ho what you say
anya me din na da so ntimi dem me fa me sini kranko
obi adwene no no dey make what you say obi adwene no no on say we nso ye we nye brand say bia okay say Toyota na Ford for the Salinko aye brand obi abekwa akope bia to because Ford is an independent institution or company into on all the Salinko to so Salinko I endorse say Ford ye but we ye
but say Agya Koo so abodjuma o industry nti aban hu no say legendary status no omo de man say yaye TV ama yaye app ama Ghana for nyina em focus because through you and Nigerian movies e kate wo Ghana nti ye we de man wona say Ghana movie esa about so aka
oh that was their plan but obi akọ a obi free say bias Agya Koo niam nko an egu ho said obi a wo TV say me was Salinko TV your Polino TV Agya Koo TV Lewin TV Kwakumanu TV ohun de me nti obi a free say ya individual me say nye na wo ka say aban no na de aman ya minim da
okay
what you say minim da nti e wo so ye ne body also yen body said ya me na bia me wo films am de be call Ghana films
okay
me de be call Gamro no ma register me Gamro nye obi dia what you say enye asumasi dia nye obenten dia enti obi a de continue free say o senka wo ye bibi sa e bia Gamro TV
okay
enti me call register na de me movies na a download ego online
okay
na fi
ma to wase perfectly honorable Salinko na eguso na etwetwe nkomo Polino multimedia na nsem ne de bebre na Kumawood because Polino multimedia ya fato ye say Ghana film industry no ye ma edin and die free system dem ye be so much say e be bounce back Ghana for nyina ni be je Ghana film industry no e be sa bounce to say the net here kan no ana senior anya nsa
two yes ye two or craft near the moment in so Kasasa I want to Sumla town.
Okay.
Min can say movie industry no to say Beijing BOA is of facility.
Okay.
The government should check on us.
Okay.
I know me who say one minister sticker medium can sticker.
Okay.
Now Okasa Bana
what is school amamo?
Ama ye Kumasi 75% done.
Okay, this is some monsieur Chinese. In a way now who say a failed Diana.
Say ni trimo anko onkan ni board no so anko onkan. I don't know baby abanya sit down for now. Okay. 75% done. Minya
but who as an actor they want to
maintain.
As actor cum producer want to
maintain there.
Okay. Outside who ben. So we politics.
Me say politics in kakanka minyante. But men kan say bia na wo ho me na mente.
Okay.
Okay. Saban na ni abaye so say dia. Onkan hunu say ye na yes producers no. The leaders no. We need some funds.
Okay.
What you say?
To embark on the project.
To embark on the project. Because now was yes one. So one no bank be to say bank we and support to sinifo and now movie industry in Ghana. Ube yes you obe connecting tiny woman.
Okay.
There be a make say ya na me bob bank be abaso no more citing opportunity savings and loans and na bibi na wo KJT ho. Okay. Na wo KJT no mo producers no facility pa
mom loan.
Loan. No makotwa 120 da bia 120 young guy bia no ton cassette bia besin ko gibi. No de abegin 102 obewie na ne sika twoboi no akotwa band ne de no no wo nyesika no omo build omo ho yie. Ko build ne ho yie na obetima twa Salinko ka bia 20 million. Lewen ka 30 million. Agya Koo ka 40 million. On de me che no. But etekwa no ama ho de ne so ayeden. Ati. I know that the government is supporting agriculture. Okay. Say also be nkokokora na your bank bi wa mintimi mo bank needing for now. Oko ho na do nkrata agu ho a ne ama osika.
Se fakoton
fakoye nkokon na beton. Oko ne is any if it's anything about agriculture you are yes. Enti saade na awanya no. Aban kan hunu se sinifo ye de kuro ne kwa akire. Okay. What you say? Ye ma o man so dadwene so te. Okay. Se Salinko be ye comedy. Ama de ono nka wo ba badwene ho se wo tax so no. Wa hwe ama wasere wo dem an ewura be fi se ne na nka o se mdidi aban na atem. Se ne tax so. Okay. Ye hold some percentage
in
the country. Ye mankrofo esre omanije no oma free stress mu. And we throw informations too.
Yeah. And I'm more educated. So.
And you're educating so. What you say?
I'm more entertaining.
Yeah, entertaining. Now say na FDA any BB about drug abuse. And no more for artists. Kwame Eugene, or Chame Kwame, or boy no Baroni, or boy Salinko them. And yeah, no. At the online, a throw.
More light,
more information say guys ninyai drug abuse ye no mo nso te say ya no mo na wo jai wi a na wo Salinko okay Salinko oye chocolate mix until or employ I have like almost 30 employees you two am ka boso me until okay massa jai drug na wo nom no jai say be wi na wo de abo wa bra bon because unyanye okay se bia abanum wi me nka se wi nye o mesremo
enti wi ye
nyame nim de enti oboy
enti ye
me nim wi hu nim de
so also won ka se wi enye also say the moment abega say if it's not good it's bad enti so ka say on ka say enye
no nim ma de wi ye se de ye nku enti ye
okay
ye de ye nku sra itimente
ba ne nom no
ye aduro
ne nom
no wa wonye okay wa bla boy hu ba bi enam unso wakoshe base ana te gon
ba wo ye okay na wo sisi mansion we
dey we won panyimfu a omo timi boss a obra no wo mo dem cool one
ba no de nkaye
wa establishing ho obi ohun de
me twato so enye bad
enye for me nka say ye won good and bad you good because we use it for permit let me say this what you say
yeah.
Hey, you want niamani bi wa ho a ye said the drug abuse e kan nuro no bi wo ho a ye de sanya de hospital ye nka se nom ko mu
ase I trauma
yes ye de sanya de
we injured pa na de amount
ne de ama wo hwe enti na ye to aye nkomo ni so na me wo he
na wo say enti se Salinko aye adwuma no wa employ ni pa 30 a oko tufo say drug abuse enya so to me employ ni pa na so
so to me employ ni pa no Afi jai nebra ba ya ebi kura sika am de betwa sini no. Enya sufficient. What you say? Inti abasa nipa no unemployment. Ebe do so ma boys na ye de omo pe. Mesra ban ne se on channel portion bi. On channel bank bi a office say okay. Who gamro for? What you say? Say gamro no an Ghana movie we no
association.
Okay, ya kan gamro.
Gamro for music.
For music.
Yeah. 5-pack.
5-pack.
Okay.
Ana okay 5-pack. Yewo I refuse kasa ni ti refuse. Okay. Ko register sika wo hia no koje. Na fe yema na fa betwa sini. Utwa na de ko na de ba. Ba akofo ne nsanso nyame ani kata unless there's help.
Okay.
What you say? Inti mesra ban ne say secondly on hwe me de biam tena TV so kra meka.
Okay.
So omwa in facilitating.
Okay.
Na emma producers no. Intimate something. Okohwe boys a good set is so boys are breast set is so. Boys good so. Obi wo anka wanya ya obese na brabo. Be wa beka ho a eboa no. Onko bokro no biem, onko no wi biem, onko no joto nse ne ho biem, onko tetra mo nse ne ho biem, onko wo. Ko wo hu se wa ben ni pam, wa ben ni colleagues, ni co-equals.
Okay.
Salinko kura se wotimi hye chelewati. Se Salinko timi di gari ne adua. Ana mtum di gari ne adua. Na chese me yire me ho a meduru ba bia Salinko nso ye de. Ewo. Na wa hye ne ho nkran. Nti mesra aban ne se officer in command.
Okay.
Se onyini we ho. Na wonhwe se de wo bo agrekefo no. Omo asinefo no. Enye sa time bia no.
Mo bedi ya.
Yebedi ya kakra.
Okay. Eye honorable Salinko nsema wo de atuja say aban ne maboa na film industry no montwa ebuo bi a wo de fama producers na we a wo koye adwuma a mo benye sika na wo de aye adwuma na wo de afa young boys ni bi so na wo de ati omoka nti na this ready kese no Agya Koo is every do it have no real location na Agya Koo is anga say
me pacho menkasa
ade
say no me person me ba social media
ade ntia
o twen kakra twen ya me am twen be 2 years
so aban me bo ahwan
so aban me bo mo na adwuma ne nkoso
kam ko ne kadwuma ne ko
ade
o me boy se omla o me boy Mr. Aban o boy a wani beje o
edi say e kan say Agya Koo say kan no so on o mbese adwuma no kwa beba
wan dey Polino dey asem bi ade asem o kan
na so kan go for ate
e bibi keke no kan
o say o kan no nko no mbese adwuma no beba
Polino me gina e news o say news mama be 3
ala me bisa say Agya Koo say on there
on kan we e asem no kan ne keke
tie Polino say yes ya o pe ya what's how you from me mabubo
open news
yeah I don't for slip of tongue
Tom aban no mebo abasi aban a ye friend ye ni na sekanti ye friend
the be chiko my camera no
anye sekanti ye friend
boy the ile bi beba
on the ile wonyai
feel cry
what we are quite well Angelino that's how it should be
okay Brian call final way say me nyasa say beti be bisa question
yo obi abenuma enie obetwa wanuma enie 27th instant chocolate mix here ya ba
enya abedwa so but I come up I have for a very nice we there
I have a picture ne to TV na no mu
yeah me be to ase me ma Bobby why ya Bobby Agya media Bobby ye nyina Bobby ofie a very nice
bibia wom dada milk wom sugar wom dada
but the competition ba market ni mo
on say me do omega buy and was all over and it was powerful and yes I'm so raise 27
wow
into ano ohye
Okay.
The Salinko nsa no de other bebe bia no push.
Me no me come up anti.
Cocoa no ya the natural na boy adwuma no yes. Ana anim 27 for no. Unim de ntia one musam de ntia 27. Also mama yi platform
you kasa ho.
The reason nice one. Fam phone na madam no na on fan to mama. Mepewe ni me no nyina akura. Mamba akwa.
Okay, ya gusu boys have reset so nti bibia e wo ha bia no e normal what you say. Nti yeah wrap it up no.
The reason why say the idea ban 27th chocolate mix in say won't say in September 27th 1683 there's one man called Sir Solin Hunt. Yeah, why Irish, why botanics.
Wow.
You can botanics will be or share in a day into free Irish country no called Jamaica, could be a friend of Dukes.
Okay.
And or research no doing no man tea. But to be a better abroad for omunum tea, omunum sao, coffee cromnum and you know. Sounds on your man cocoa powder, cocoa tea. Your man or not a you know. To when was there be mummy milk, no mummy sugar.
Okay.
1683, 27th September 1683.
Okay.
To one more the man
with a free education.
Free education.
Okay.
Yes. And to one the man no or the gumo or monum or ma will be a bit test will be wow. So he invented chocolate mix.
Okay.
Ti ono nebe ma yenya chocolate. Chocolate ya ye dia ye woni day no.
Yeah.
Ono nebe ma yenya chocolate. Ono nebe ma ye hu se obetime the milk ni sugar. Agu cocoa mu.
Okay.
Agu coffee mu. Anum.
Okay.
Me pa cho what ya say. Ono na de sa idea no e buy.
Sene brother Samika so na de pan on e de nkati yem buy.
Samina de buy. Enti say Hans we botanist from Irish. Ono na de sa idea no e buy and echo 27th September.
Okay.
Enti ana me so we me
27th September.
Me ware me yire no age of 27 years.
Okay.
And me September.
Okay.
Enti na che say ade no ye solid. Asaf enti me koye research. Na me pese me hu so obi amfa din na. Enti me call ho na me ko hu all this history about chocolate. And I would him say every 27th September be a World Chocolate Day. Because I want to define chocolate mix. Na obia hwe Polino. Na minim da onse ye nyina enum tea nkwala abrem ye gyan no. Na minim da ade a cocoa eye tea especially 27th nitimi ye.
Okay.
Me de ma wa wonom ye no onam net sen.
Come on.
Wo sole a wo bre.
Maybe.
Ubun se wonka se nwa because yes because me use cocoa powder papa na de.
Okay.
What you say? Me nada obia me manom ehu emma wo release stress.
Okay.
What the anajo? Wo didi wi anwumre pa wontimi na sori kono meti ni bi.
Okay.
Kofa bi na mix e enye herbal e tea normal tea. Na je ze me de en
cocoa. Man fa hwem frem. Eno ane
sugar wom dada. Milk wom dada. De ohia ne nsuo hie. Ice water quality me ye.
Okay.
Wo de ye. Wo ni pa no anom ne sa. Ne koto hwehwe. Wo beta sisi wo sole nso ho sesiri mu akora. Ena nso esanso mma wo.
Fresh on brain.
Wa adwene no obi a wo ne wo yelete, wo ne wo get. Wo say yele de. Honorable Kennedy best ya ade ya wo wiase ne say wo be kwa akobre no abeba fia wo be mpaso adwuma. Enti time bia on say yele de ne ne te da bia.
Yeah.
Enti sometimes e bi kura mpaso agro be koso a it take time. But what started so no meti ni bia. Ubon say time bia wa adwene wo so. Akona abehu ba bia wo yele we ne bo ba bia we bo ba bia we bo. Say location ni.
There's a two in it.
Eti wani e ma wa adwene baso say Jack.
But Esama obo adwuma na.
E ma yes. Especially unom cocoa no brown gold. O de brown gold say me ho Tommy cocoa powder. Enti ma men kana asem kakra. Brown gold cocoa no. Wo de wo gye num sa mfa sugar mfra. Na nom ne sa. Enti hwe nipa me man cocoa powder.
Okay.
What you say? Na me so ma ye me de na che so utim say yes Salinko Koko no
e woni nim
anohye onum nso a e ma all the strength and the energy.
All right. Yeah. Enti baby a wo bia na wakopɛ Salinko Koko ni bi anom unya se wo shop bia
shop bia all
also
the odu baby asem pe Salinko 27 fu
okay
ebi ombema bia ye wo konkomo de na e wo sachet no
okay na momo amano ne so e bia recho na nde ofra on more number mo fra o mbetime anya bi bebre
wo amano ne a me Paulino ya na de me number na gu ase go you hear distributors were outside.
Okay.
You hear distributors country bia.
Okay.
You hear distributors.
Oh.
Ofre ya ye behwe na ye de ebia bro.
Okay.
Na wonso waje na waton.
Yeah,
both the raw cocoa powder and the processed one.
Okay.
Ye be more bi na wato. But especially 27th chocolate mix in the day obi anya bibia wom dada.
Nya bisi ufie.
Nya bisi ufie.
Anajo kom de obi a kobo bi nom.
Wo de wontimi na. Ana wo ye obi ata so da ye bone a. No mi koko ni bi. Wo so da ye bone a frem ka se Salinko obua.
Okay.
Ko nyame ahira so.
Okay.
Won se obi de ye papa, but obi nso de ye papa.
Okay.
All because nyame nsa wo mu a
ekọ eche.
Ura Yesu ahira so nti wo a wo de wo so da ye bone wo be so da ye be ma katachi si na ko krum back. Na na mafuom.
Enye
da ye say. Fucking dream. Enti pebito.
Okay.
De ye hira so ne ye ton. Pemidie ni bito.
Okay. Timpacho number no fa tu ja.
0246 82 85 60. The rational number 0246 82 85.
We have say zero. We have reached for there. You for Ghana. We are Ghana when one friend number. You for Ghana for there. We are so for
we are Ghana there.
I suffer for preaching now. Linko.
What Ghana friend number way.
Okay.
And our WhatsApp number here 0244 97
22
20.
By the number no so be go as
open the very nice and the natural cocoa powder omumi we were natural and we alkalize.
Okay.
Ti de ope bia na ofre me a ebetima ma obi ato kama ope any number of metric tons so cry be ma obi.
Okay.
And a chocolate mix in there ofre ya a box.
Okay.
You best send in here there.
Okay. Pacho ye call final words to her for.
Me catch him ranting in my bar one night ban all the media sites say.
Okay.
The way be I don't hear.
Okay.
I quite remember say obi frame say we apim polo start yi ne ho no yesi na Salinko bi ase anya nam so da bi. De nyame di hira obi nya no de hira obi. We apim polo ni we anyame de say on family system nim no. So otimi di wuramu yi a Erade na be hira ne nwuma so.
Okay.
Because you don't know we apim polo bi a Friday obekọ watch night. What you say? Wednesday obekọ aso be wo ba e ya chede o. Say kwapim me say they pay you. E na chede and then I criticize.
Okay.
E na chede.
Ti de nyam de ma obi a
anyere ne ho nye.
Okay.
Nana yawo. Nana yeboa.
Nana
yeboa. You start here you kokora wonya bi ntwa na mse nana de o de ade na wo ye ne yiro ho. Ko wadi di atem no ya wo ne ye nam wodi atem kura na se me kura na obedi matem na ye sere.
Okay.
Na mse nana yeboa we.
Oye big.
They make a what you say. Oye big. Minka say min so bet a talent. Say anka one can yamin tun supangu so say on family limelight. Amen no one ma brochire one Jackie mo
baby
they make a what you say.
International nana.
International. They make a what you say. Enti do onim ye bia no yero ho ye na mo amudidi mpanyimfo na atem no eno na enye.
Okay.
Mpanyimfo ne ye mpanyimfo. Mpanyimfo ne ye mpanyimfo. Omo nye kura na ebi abasa akọ.
Okay.
Omo je Ghana si we na ma Ghana ya asomdue no. Omo kọ. Enti omo predecessor na successor. Predecessor.
Predecessor say.
Said de ono de wawu kọ no. De waba no.
Yeah.
and a predecessor you English
predecessor amona echo
predecessor for na echo successor no tias no bia be sinanem em say English for no better
am try mo wole go no mo
try for we ana mo boa ye kakra
okay
enti mesre mo amodidi empanyimfo na atem mo njan enye
okay
na ado no obi di na tem former president obi di ya di ne one ne yira tem na no tumfo se tutu na obi kasa but okohwe nipa no ade a wo ya okura ye de wo ben na untimi mben no ye kasa wa ba ha je se wo gina ha na watwe kon
na wahwe no wa chiri
wahwe se cameraman a wo twa ni ye kura bia hu no wo TV so nti hu sa nipa we ti wunya gab na wo twemu na wo te ba bi enkankan ne abrochirefo a wo di mpanyimfo na ta ya ne ha me
am cheze mpanyimfo no so e bo abro do da
panyin obo abro no Bible says so who talk kwa nyame me enku bi ma yes the people's voice are the voice of God. Right sugu nyame so what you say enipa no obesesa wansesa wo ha ono a obefiri ho
foforo beba
obi beba what you say
okay
na yedi
yedi
former president atem minka na yedi because Ghana me wombi yedi na atem ene yi levi ba wo be kwa MPP fo kra na omo ye we dey afema ha enso papa ye di na atem adi na yela atem
ansa na woko
be ya safi no se wonsa anya den emra
di obeba
waya sesen nyimi wakasem ya no
ya former president John Dramani Mahama obesaba
nti adenti na enkrofo se frɛ ne se womra to omahu se de oba no wo ye no se enye wono a eye saa nete de me ka wate nti won sa anya den emra
na de oba ne nye
de oba ye wote zonzo no se si a opa manana enko ye nana do yi yafu we de nana ko ye
Tigana Subano.
Subai. And former president. Chairman Alan Cash.
Okay.
And vice president. Sani Patri win. And they say yeah.
Okay.
Say Omubeba. Na ye back. Mama be di Ghana so. So the mama
rundown.
Mama rundown ne dada. Me know what my
cat. Emre ne
bema.
Yeah,
na waka.
Okay.
Enti sanity.
All right.
The same pay bi wo ha me bo. Say Ewrade betima asesa ne mamu a. But enemy dwale wo se Jack. Ye konkon aka no sanity e ba mi guso a me bo sa mpaye.
Okay.
Muhammad ne de nda o ma test ne message.
Okay.
Ne de da o. The same panyimfo imienu no. Ana ye hwe se primaries no de obewe ne no. Se ho na abehunu de Salinko tie. Enti o we ni wi a na afi wo hu se ene main one no
say na be. All right. We come share honorable Salinko e dey atuja o polino multimedia ye dey beba by a hwem kakra twen say abato no be ben kakra.
Yeah, primaries ni wi a NPP primaries wi a e na ade be confirm main one no hu Salinko said dey
near release. Polino multimedia nkwa na be exclusive say subscribe na click the bell notifications na be anytime we drop video bi and benya straight UTV boys abre you know 7 p.m. Saturday bi no obenya bi ahwe ha ene de besi yakram
obi ankope 27th chocolate mix no e bi ento no no
okay bye
madam ase what the picture and better
a good boy wa na e twa video no ye kokuma ase but on the adwuma no do nti still say be ye adwuma yakram